Swear, if it's not one thing, it's another with this property. This time, the cleanup crew came to get the axles, tires, and everything for that. I already sent off pictures to the contractor, but they got the truck stuck. I don't know what the heck they were doing. They got it half off, and then they got a trailer and a truck behind it stuck, trying to use that to pull themselves out. And they just shredded everything, left it a mess. We won't be able to drive out of here until I get down here and fix this some. Contractor won't be out here for a couple more days, but I sent him pictures. It's not his crew, it's the installer crew that was here for cleanup. But this is ridiculous. They tore up half the side of the driveway here. I don't even know if I could rebuild that myself with the tractor. I'm going to try and fix some of this as best I can, because we still got to be able to get in and out. But all my gravel, everything, they just tore it all to hell. Well, it's not perfect. I at least made it flat again, got some more gravel in, and made it drivable. So at least we can get out of here. I had to scrape all that out. I did enough gravel just to give some grip. Yeah, I didn't get it all recorded, but they destroyed a lot of the driveway going all the way down. I used the box scraper and at least scraped everything smooth again. And now it has to be repacted and down and everything. They backed the trailer all the way up and they just tore everything to hell. And they did it all the way down to the road. They went down the side and everything. Frustration and anger is probably the nicest way that I can say that I feel right now. I'm getting ready to go in. I'm going to email every company. I'm going to send them off all these videos and photos that I had taken before I did everything. I just spent 3 hours fixing everything the best I can, all the way down to the road. They destroyed it all the way down. First, getting stuck with the truck, going off the edge. Don't know how the heck they did that. They need to learn how to drive. And on top of that, they just all took off like nothing happened. But I definitely think somebody needs to reimburse some gravel and pay for some of this, because that is money out of my pocket, along with the time being wasted when I have work to do. I have things to do. It's now starting to sprinkle again. The rain is showing back up because it's supposed to rain all night tonight. So everything I needed to get done today isn't getting done because I had to deal with that. And personally, I think it's justified that they fork over some money in gravel to fix what they destroyed. Hopefully we'll have some better news in the next couple of days. I'll let the contractor fix more of that. He also said that he'll bring me some gravel before this. I sent him photos yesterday showing him that the driveway was still in pretty good condition, because he asked if the dozers tore it up. And I said no, you know, they actually didn't tear it up. Instead, it was a cleanup crew that tore everything up. So they can bring up a whole house, tractors, dozers, and everything, destroyed nothing. You got a cleanup crew of 2 guys can destroy it all in 30 minutes. Anyway, I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna go email all this stuff off, and then I gotta take off and do errands that I needed to do 3 hours ago. But that's my quick update for today. Hopefully we'll have some better updates in the next couple of days, at least fingers crossed. I was also told that the septic system and stuff, I think it's gonna be on schedule for next week. So we should be getting most of the stuff done this week and next week. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.